Python Popen cannot find the file specified. I have the following code. I get the error. What I have tried. Changing shell equals true to shell equals false. Combining the command into a single string instead of using a list, I even print it to screen, and I can copy and paste into a command prompt where the file runs and gives the expected output, no error. I made sure that fprobe.exe is located in the path and can be executed from the command line without specifying a directory. Things of note. The file is located on a mapped network drive R. The file has spaces in the file name, this is why I surrounded it by quotes. I'm sure I'm missing something simple. Can anyone point me in the right direction? I've done quite a lot of searching on this site and others and trying suggestions.
The backslash symbol counts as an escape character in Python. Use R to turn that off.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.